皆さん、こんにちは。若子です。皆さんは Twitter や YouTube、LINE などの SNS を日本語で使ったことはありますか？今日は日本語のインターネットスラングを紹介します。Hello everyone, I'm Wakako. Have you ever used social media like Twitter, YouTube, and LINE in Japanese? I'm introducing Japanese internet slang today. 英語と同じように日本語にもインターネットやテキストメッセージで使われるスラングがあります。漢字やアルファベットを使った面白いものがたくさんあります。Like in the English-speaking world, Japanese people use slang for internet and text messaging in Japanese. Many of them use Chinese characters or alphabet in creative ways. And most common one is W. It is just one letter. So can you guess what it means? It means laugh. If you know the Japanese word meaning laugh, it might be easy to guess the meaning. Laugh is 笑う in Japanese. In early days of the internet, the Japanese people used Chinese character 笑う, putting in brackets as this, to express their laughing or humor. However, it is omitted as just the first alphabet character to type 笑う, then it became W. However, so W is very common, so you might have seen it. Now, do you know there is an even newer version for laughing? Young people tend to use 草 for laughing these days. 草. So, an example is like ダンスうますぎて草. She can dance too good. And this Chinese character, 草 means grass. So why 草 means laughing? So when you use many W in your text, it looks like this. それな www. 俺もそう思ったわ www. So that's it. I thought so too. And this www looks like grass on the ground. Therefore, people started to use 草. So if you don't know the transition of this slang, you will never guess the 草 means laughing. And another common slang is おつ. It means お疲れ様, thank you for your hard work. And おつ is pronounced おつ, which is the same pronunciation of the first part of お疲れ様. So people started to use おつ to omit to type the whole phrase of お疲れ様. So to upload videos or photos is described as うぷ. When you type the beginning part of up, uploads up in Japanese keyboard setting, it shows うぷ. So it is used to mean upload. So this text うぷおつ means thank you for uploading it. So the next one is ようつべ. Can you guess the meaning of ようつべ? It means YouTube. This is because when you type YouTube with Japanese keyboard setting, it shows ようつべ. And have you heard ググる? ググる. It means search in Google. In Japanese, something る is a dictionary form of a verb like 食べる or 走る. So by adding る after ググ a coined verb was created. ググる. Okay, so comments in social media such as Twitter or YouTube might be hard to understand at first because they use very casual languages and have a lot of slang, but they are real and contemporary words of Japanese people, so you can probably find it interesting. Okay, thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.